Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how to configure HTTP server on a Cisco Packet Tracer. So for that, I have taken one simple topology which consisting of one router, one switch, two laptop, and one server in which we will configure our HTTP server. Okay, so first of all, I will take one class C IP address. For a default gateway, I will mention 192.168.1.1 as a default gateway for our router. And server, I will mention the IP, suppose 192.168.1.100, which is our IP, server IP. Then I will go to the server, to the desktop IP configuration, and the static option, I will give the IP to our server, which is 192.168.1.100. Also, I will go to the server services, and here I will configure our service HTTP, and HTTP service should be on, and I will go to the index HTML page. I will click on edit option, and here I will can make some changes. So here suppose I will mention HTTP server, and also I will just mention my YouTube channel name, solve networking verse channel, and we can save the configuration. Yes. Also, if you want to configure DNS, we can also configure DNS here. So click on DNS option. The DNS service, you have to click on option. Then we have to set the name, URL name. So I will mention www.vgverse.com, and I will mention the same network address, which is 192.168.1.100, which is we have given for a server, and type record I will set as a, and I will just add this. Okay, and I will save this configuration. Then now let's configure our router, and go to the click on router, go to the CLI option, type no, then type enable or en, then type configuration terminal or a simple conft to enter into the global configuration mode. And here we will configure our interface gig 0/0/0. You can see here, which is our router interface, and IP address we will view our default gateway IP, which is 192.168.1.1, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Then I will give no shut command to up the interface. Okay, you can see our interface turns into the green color, means it is up. And also I will configure a DSCP pool for our end devices. So I will create a DSCP pool, IP DSCP pool admin, which is our full name. Then I will give a default router, which is 192.168.1.1. Then I will mention the network, which is class C network 192.168.1.0, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And also I will mention a DNS server, which we have given IP. So that is 192.168.1.100. I will just save our configuration. Now let's come to our end devices. Just click on laptop, go to the desktop IP configuration and click on DHCP. Let's check. Yes, we have got the IP address from the DHCP pool 1.2. Similarly, check for other device. Click on laptop, desktop, IP configuration. Click on DHCP. So for this device also we have got the IP address 1.3 from the DHCP pool which we have configured. Now let's try to access this web server, which is our HTTP server. Click on web browser option. So in the URL section, just type the IP address 192.168.1.100. Click enter. So you can see we are able to access this server or HTTP server, and we can see our channel name which we have edited, Vishal Networking Voice Channel also. Okay. Also, if you want to access through uh, the name DNS name, also we can, instead of the IP address, we can give the name which you have said www.vgverse.com. I will hit enter. So you can see in this way also we can able to access our HTTP server. So I hope you understand this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.